welcome to Tech Corner. My name is Alex and today I'm going to show you a neat feature I do with my photos that basically will help pop my subject or object out in my photos. So what I basically do is I use Adobe Lightroom, and what I'll do is I'll put my subject or object in color and put my background in black and white. This kind of gives it an artistic flair and helps kind of accentuate my subject or object. So in order to do this, you will need Adobe Lightroom, which is a subscription-based. Monthly subscription is about 20 bucks a month for Adobe and Photoshop. If you're a student, you can usually get that for about half that price. But this is kind of a really neat thing. So let me go ahead and show you how I go ahead and do this on my iPad. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Lightroom. And this is a photo I took in Italy. And this is kind of like a cool little Vespa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first just going to get to my little panel here. You can click on the little thing right here to go to edit. Give it a second here. Between these two really quick, you should flip. So I'm going to go ahead and click on auto. So this is going to kind of colorize it, kind of adjust the colors and all that. You can always go even further and fine tune it. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my masking tool, which is right below the eraser. I'm going to hit the little plus sign. I'm going to click on color range. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Because that looks like it pretty much just selected most of it, which is kind of cool. You can increase it or decrease it depending on what you want, how you want to do that. So if I hit apply, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on my masked object. I'm going to change it to invert mask. So what this is going to do is this is going to take everything that isn't blue and it's going to now select that instead of the blue, its color itself. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to color range and I'm going to subtract. And as you can see, for the most part it did a fairly good job. Now I can always go in and fine tune it because I can kind of see a little bit of the gray here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I'm going to hit subtract. I'm going to select brush. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of brush in the areas where it might have not really quite selected the blue. Here a little bit more. I'm going to color this in. A little bit more here. Oh. Where is it? Done. Hold on. Go back to masking. Oh, nope, it did not. Alright, let's quickly redo that one more time. Color range, select this, adjust our that, click apply, click here, flip invert, color, reduce saturation, click on this, we're going to hit subtract, select brush, we're going to finish brushing this in, and as you can kind of see the color gets a little bit more in depth here. I'm going to do this side here a little bit. I want to get that in there. If I kind of go up here, this is going to kind of make it a little bit more blue, more vibrant. Here, just kind of make sure we got this. Try to get rid of those darker colors. You can see down here, as I start painting this in, I'm going to go ahead and fix that. Got this done. Of course, you can increase your brush size if you want. This is going to remove the color from this. Bring that out a little bit more. Here a little bit more. Brush size if I want a little bit more, so I don't do as much. Decrease this just a little bit more so I don't accidentally get the street. I think I pretty much got this done. So then all I have to do is click done, and there we go. So my little Vespa here, my tuk-tuk, is in color while my background is completely in black and white, which is a really kind of neat way to give your photos an artistic flair. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw that a like or that thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.